Mmm. Oh, yummy. I will turn this into this. So I want to try some Dutch Pinoy fusion dishes. And so today I will use the Dutch frikandel. So the nice thing is we can just heat up the oven at 220 degrees. So these are all the ingredients that we will use. Pancit, boiling water. Frikandel goes in. Boiling water. Pork meat. Cooking oil to make the pork nice and crispy. Our frikandel is ready. Reduce the heat a little bit. Carrots, garlic, onion. So we're just mixing everything. It smells amazing. 1 cube of chicken stock, Chinese cabbage, red chilies, pancit noodles. So at this point I turn off the heat. Just mix everything. It's almost time for our frikandel. We'll add our soy sauce, lemon juice. So we're just gonna cut these frikandel in tiny pieces like this. Add to our pancit. Finish off with a lot of spring onions, fresh parsley, and some extra lemon juice. So that's our Dutch Pinoy fusion dish. If you want to see another pancit recipe, check here. Maraming salamat po.